Normal distribution is the most important types of distribution of random variables that arise in practice of heights of people, weights of people, then the total score of different exams, okay, and total sales of a farm, all these things, this is called normal distribution, and it can be described completely by two parameters. One is mean and another is sigma, that is standard deviation. The mean is the center of the distribution and standard deviation is the measure of the variation around the mean. In a separate lecture, in a separate video, we will understand about standard deviation. Okay, the normal distributions is symmetric about mu. Mu is what? Mu is our mean, and in normal distributions, if this is the mean, the distribution is symmetric. Symmetric means this side is equal to this side. Okay, these two are same, means this is symmetric distributions around the mean, around the mean. This is symmetric, means equal size. This side is how much present, this side is also present, same amount of distribution, means 50-50 around the mean. This is 50% and this is 50%. So this is called normal distributions and it is having symmetric around the mean. Therefore, the area to the left of mu is equal to the area of the right, that is 50%. And in normal distributions, if you see here, this is the mean, 5 is the mean, and here mean is equal to mode and median. In a normal distribution, one more important thing, mean is equal to mode and median. It means here this is the mode and this is the median and this is the mean. This is the mode and this is the median and this is the what? Mean. Okay, so all are present on the same line, that's why mean is equal to mode and median. Okay, then what is skewness? In probability and statistics, skewness is a measure of the asymmetry of the probability distribution of a real valued random variable about its mean. It means we have understood normal distributions, there is symmetry around the mean. There was symmetry around the mean, means if suppose this is the mean, this side is 50% and this side is 50%. But in skewness, what happens? We don't have this kind of symmetry, we have some skewness. It means suppose this side will be 30% and this side will be 70%, or in another way you can say this side will be 70% or this side will be 30%. So this kind of asymmetry, this is asymmetric, so this is also called skewness of distribution. So we will understand two kinds of skewness, one is negative skewness, another one is positive skewness. Okay, for a unimodal distributions, negative skew commonly indicates that the tail is on left side of the distribution. Suppose this one is a tail, okay, and a mouse is present here. Okay, mouse is present here, so the tail is on this side and that's why it is negatively skewed. Okay, and in this what happens, the mean is this one, and mean is smaller than what? Median, and median is smaller than mode. Okay, so mean is, here it is written, mean is smaller than median and median is smaller than mode. Because you can see, if you go from this side, mean comes first, so mean is smaller, then median will be little bit more higher, and mode will be more higher than the mean. So mean is smaller than median, median is smaller than mode in a negatively skewed distributions. Why it is negative? Because you see, the mean is also present in the center and the skewness is found in this side. That's why it is called negative side and it is negatively skewed. And you can see this side, the tail is not present, skewness is not present, so we cannot say this is negatively skewed. This side is more tail is present, so this is negatively skewed. And here important thing, mean is smaller than median and median is smaller than mode. Okay, one more kind of is there is positively skewed. In a positively skewed distribution, what happens, the tail will present in this side. Okay, the tail will be longer in this side and this is called positively skewed. Suppose you see here, mean is present here, mean is the present in the middle. Okay, mean is present in the middle and skewness is found in this side, positive side. Skewness is found in the positive side, so that's why it is also called positively skewed. And you can see here, the mean is present at the higher distance. It means mean is bigger than what, median, and median is also bigger than what, mode. So we can say here mean is larger than median and median is the larger than mode. So this is one more type of skewness, where the skewness you will find in the positive side of the mean, or the tail is longer in the positive side, so that's why it is called positive skewness. Okay, we will discuss one important questions from NTA UGC NET Environmental Science from 2019 June. Okay, so the question was, for a negatively skewed distribution, the which is the correct relations between the mean, median, mode. So here arithmetic mean is there, smaller than median is smaller than mode. This one is we have discussed here. In negatively skewed, in a negatively skewed distribution, what happen, mean will be present in the center and median will be at this point and mode will be at this point. So mean will be smaller than median and median will be smaller than mode. Okay, so what is the right relation? This one is the right relation. Okay, with this video we have understood what is normal distributions, what is skewness, what is negative skewness, what is positive skewness, and one important questions from NTA UGC NET Environmental Science. Thank you a lot.